Marami talaga ang humanga sa SB19 sa pagiging energetic nila dahil mula Sydney to Taiwan, talaga namang sa pagod noon, nakapag-perform pa sila ng ganun at ang nakakagulat pa ay saan at kailan sila nag-rehearse. Well, may mga nagsasabi na noong daw November na nandito ang SB19 ay nagkaroon sila na ng rehearsal with W3 ang kanila nga pong backup dancers kung saan ay kasama rin po nila itong nag-perform sa Taiwan Taipei sa AAA. But ganun pa man, syempre yung stage kung saan yung blocking hindi naman nila napuntahan ng personal at ang blocking nga nila kung paano sila pupwesto, yun ang pinagtatakahan ng marami. And kung sakali man ngang meron silang rehearse at marami ang time nila nitong November, parang hindi din dahil kaliwat kanan din ang invitation and event ng SB19 nitong nakaraang November. Kaya naman pasabog talaga. Well, narito po ang ilan sa mga naging mensahe at reaksyon sa nasabing SB19 performance sa Taipei. Isa na nga ang naging reaksyon dito ng kanilang isa sa napaka-supportive na si Roslyn Pineda or tinatawag nilang si Mama Sony. Aniya, what in the world was that? SB19 official, I was long aware of the impossible Melbourne-Sydney Kaohsiung back-to-back performances, and all I was expecting was a solid performance across all. Not a new arrangement, a new dance break. San kayo nag-rehearse? Si Aeroplano, my face broke into the biggest smile when you shouted from the Philippines. I think whatever position I hold and whenever I am in the world, I will always be rooting for you. Mula naman sa naging update ng GMA, anila na para bang naging concert nila ang Akon. SB19 set the stage on fire with their performance at the Akon 2025 in Kaohsiung, Taiwan last Sunday night. The P-Pop Kings made their Taiwan comeback for the 10th anniversary concert of the Asia Artist Award. They were in Taipei earlier this year as part of their Simula at Wakas World Tour. Before their Akon performance, they were in Melbourne and Sydney and Australia for their world tour that will continue to Auckland, New Zealand, and then back to Perth, Australia on December 12 and 14 respectively. Mula naman sa naging update ng TV5, SB19-8 and Left No Crumbs. Ibinahagi ng SB19 ang ilan sa mga larawan matapos nilang mag-perform sa Akon 2025 sa Kaohsiung, Taiwan nitong linggo, December 7. Kabilang sa mga itinanghal ng grupo ang kanilang mga kantang Dungka, 18 Moldam at Cream Zone. Mula naman sa 18 o isang fans ng SB19 na si Delas Josephine, sinabi niyang SB19 shouts there are from the Philippines are truly amazing, exciting and fantastic. Their great performance on stage proves that awards aren't the only measure of success. They simply want to share their music, perform with all their heart, and be known globally. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.